So it's been very long and I haven't made any videos, so this is it. This is the unboxing of my new LS2 helmet, and I'm gonna show you the details about this helmet, why I went for this. Previously I used to have this helmet. I still have this. I'll keep this helmet as well too, as a backup helmet. But yeah, this one right here is an Ignite all black helmet which I used to have. And yeah, since I got my new bike, so it's time to upgrade my helmet as well too. So I'm gonna keep this aside for now, and I'm gonna show you the new helmet which I have got. So this helmet is from LS2. The reason I went for this is because if you have a BMW bike, this is the best fit for your bike and it goes with your bike very well. So I'll tell you the model about this. So this is the LS Storm 2 FF800. Inside the box, let's see what do we get over here now. So nothing much. You will just get a helmet with a bag, a premium bag, and a pin lock for your visor, which I'm not gonna use right now. I'm just gonna keep this box aside for now. Talking about this bag, the bag looks and feels premium. You can carry this bag along with you to keep your helmet safe as well. Okay, so let me unbox this now. Okay, so this is the helmet which I have got. It just comes with an LS2 branding over here, and it does get this carbon fiber finishing, if you can see all around this. And yeah, that's the reason I went for this helmet is because, like I said, this goes with your bike very well and it's lighter as well too. And since I have the same color bike, so yeah, this does the job. And I have also got few accessories for this helmet. I'm gonna show you right now. Also, the best thing about this helmet, I got sun visor control, which is good thing. Now let me show you the accessories which I have got for this helmet. Let's keep this aside for now. And so this is two boxes I have got. I'm gonna show you the first one. This one again I placed it online. And talking about the mount, I have got this from Action Pro क्योंकि मुझे M-Seal नहीं लगाना था again. Using M-Seal थोड़ा helmet खराब हो जाता है, and then it does look heavier as well too. Damn. So yeah, I'm gonna use this from Action Pro. You can get it on Amazon. Also, I'm gonna use this Maono mic on my helmet. So let me just quickly install everything, install this and visor and the spoiler as well, and let me show you how it's gonna look, the final look of this helmet. So yeah, I'm done installing, and this is the final look which you guys can see. The visor, front visor. I have also used this Action Pro chin mount for GoPro, and the spoiler. Now it's a complete. It looks good now, if you can see. I'm gonna show you how it looks on me now. Let me get my. Okay, always wear balaclava first. So I got this balaclava from Ride and Riders Mumbai. Let me show you how it's gonna look from inside. And then there it is. There it is. If you can see, This is the view which I get. And for sun visor, that's the sun visor. This goes in, this goes out. And okay, so there it is. Let me know what you guys think about this helmet and the setup which I've made. I'm gonna show you the visor. Yeah, this is the black visor, and this is the night vision visor. Let me know. It does look good. Even if I ride during night time, it looked good. Thanks for watching the video, and let me test this on the road. And yeah, do like and subscribe. Bye.